Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So, first problem I'm going to be, or the problem I'm going to be attempting today is 1662. Check if two string arrays are equivalent. Just going to read out the spec here. Given two string arrays, word 1, word 2, return true if the two arrays represent the same string. False otherwise. A string is represented by the array. If the element array is concatenated in order, forms a string. For example, word 1 is an array of two strings, A, B, and C. And word 2 is another set of two strings. First one is A, next one is B, C. Word 1, when you concatenate both of them, becomes ABC, same with word 2, so we return true. This becomes ACB, this becomes ABC, which are not equivalent, so it returns false. Constraints, each word's length is 10 to the power of 3, and yeah, so it's got each word has at maximum between 1 and 10 to the power of 3 elements, and each of those elements have between 1 and 10 to the power of 3 length. Yeah, the length of each element, so like this here is between 1 and 10 to the power of 3, and the sum of their lengths, not quite sure what that means. The sum of their lengths. Don't know what that means. But word 1 and word 2, maybe if you were to add both of, if you were to concatenate all of them, has to be between 1 and 10 to the power of 3 in length. Not entirely sure, but word 1 and word 2 consist of lowercase letters. Okay? I'm going to switch over to my notes. So ideas. The first thing that's coming to my head is just concatenate them using, I think it's we can concatenate by iterating through each element, appending to temp or to word 1 joined and word 2 underscore joined. Check if they are equivalent. Okay. Can I just copy and paste this into LeetCode and attempt it? So, word 1 underscore joined is equal to empty string. Same goes for this one. Forward, and word 1 underscore joined is equal to or plus equal word same for word 2. So we're just going to check if they're equivalent. Hit run. And they got accepted. Going to submit. And accepted. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope this was useful to you in some way. Just watching someone else's thought process behind solving one of these questions. If you had any other solution that was maybe a bit more efficient or just a different way of doing it, please leave a comment below. Love discussing these problems. And yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.